Two super easy hairstyle you can do within 5 minutes. Don't be quick to go so that you will watch the other one. This is the first one. At this point, secure with hairband. First step. Make sure it is tight. Then fold this hair up like this. Use your clipper. Make sure you are picking both the hair and the clipper. Make sure it is also tight. Section here into two. Watch what I'm doing. Cross it together like this. At this point, we are going to twist the hair. Section it into two. And twist the hair. That is section. This. Twist here. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Now you are done twisting. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like. Now we move like this. Remember that I have another style for you. Don't be quick to go. Everyday wear. I stay all long day without losing. You can try this hairstyle for yourself. Let me know in the comment section. This this. See how beautiful it is. Let me know if you can try this hairstyle. Another super easy hairstyle you can rock within 5 minutes. Watch how I create it. Secure your hair with a band of your choice. Like this. Clip with your clip. Press it up. Watch the movement of my hand. Watch what I did. And then bring this one out. Secure with your band. Secure here with your band. Watch what I'm doing. Braid here. Braid here. Little. Braid here too. To see the beauty of it. Now fold here inside to get the curve. Take this. Up here. Cross it to each other. Take this. Sample it here. Pin it up. Bring this one down. Your super easy hairstyle is ready. Look at it. Look at it. Super easy hairstyle is ready. You can try it for yourself. Let me know if you can try this hairstyle for yourself. For easy going out. Super easy hairstyle is ready. Ready.